Hi, Colin with Diode. Today we'll be going over our fog pocket kit for the 2021 and up Ford F-150. Not only will this kit give you a more aggressive off-road style, but it will also give you more functionality and a significant increase in light output over any factory fog light option. In addition to the insanely bright SAE-compliant fogs, this kit also features powerful off-road lighting that can be controlled independently from the fogs, giving you maximum output while off-roading. Our heavy-duty stainless steel brackets were CAD designed for an easy bolt-on fitment on the 2021 and up F-150 with no modification required. This kit includes two of our SS3 pods in our fog optic, providing over an 80-degree spread of focused light directly in front of the vehicle for road-legal fog output, as well as two more SS3s in our combo optic. This combines our driving and flood optics to shine light downrange in a rectangular pattern and fill light directly in front of the vehicle for off-roading. With the included harness, the off-road pods are controlled independently using your factory switch bank, or if your vehicle doesn't come with a switch bank, you can also use our included toggle switch. We've included two types of DT adapters with this kit, so the fog pods are completely plug and play whether you have the factory LED or halogen fog lights. Our fog pocket kit offers tons of customization, allowing you to choose between 6000K cool white and 3000K selective yellow fogs, or you can just get the bracket to build a kit to fit your exact needs. Unlike other kits on the market, all four pods in this kit feature a backlight, giving you an amber accent light that can come on automatically with your running lights using our OEM LED DT adapter, or with a simple tap for OEM halogen fogs. These kits were designed, tested, and assembled right here in St. Louis, Missouri, and are backed with an industry-leading 8-year warranty. If you're looking to pick up a fog light kit for your vehicle or any of our other products, visit our website at dowdynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. If you're looking to stay updated on any of our new products, make sure you like, subscribe, and click that notifications bell below. Thanks for watching.